Hey everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. I just finished building this beautiful 331 Ford stroker engine, 430 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1965 Mustang GT Fastback. Go over some of the highlights on the engine here. Again, we got the 331 stroker engine, power force pistons in there, roller lifter camshaft. You have the brand new balancer on there, high flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filter, all the fittings and the fuel pump, brass freeze plugs installed, proper oil pan for the 65 Mustang front sump oil pan. Customer requested the AFR heads on here. We got the Taylor ignition wires, all the wire markers on there, made in USA. Ford Racing polished valve covers on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. MSD ignition coil, distributor set in place. You got the quick fuel carburetor on there, aluminum intake manifold, throttle return spring, throttle cable bracket, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookup. Made in USA, Ford Racing billet steel flywheel, proper balance and tooth count for the customer's application. Pilot bearings in there. We have the PCV ventilation line on there, hooked up, electric choke, chrome dipstick and tube. It's real nice. Customers running alternator only. We have the heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, 140 amp, one wire hookup alternator right there. Belt tension's all set, 45-degree thermostat housing and thermostats installed right in there. Proper one for the Mustang. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes at the engine factory. Timing is set, carburetors adjusted. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. So this is the way you get it. 331 Ford. This is our 430 horse turnkey package. When you're ready to buy, give us a call. 1-800-326-6554 or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.